What's up guys, Matt here, service industry coach. Hey, so this is the third and final video of the Every Door Direct Mail video series I'm doing here on YouTube. But before you dive in, hit that subscribe button for me if you have not already, and also hit the thumbs up button if you've liked the last videos, and I guarantee you're gonna like this one. We're gonna dive into our screen sharing on the computer, and I'm gonna show you exactly how we pick our routes and how we go about it. So get ready, enjoy, and I'll see you on the screen share. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you right in here on how to pick your routes for the Every Door Direct Mail. First, you're going to go up here to the USPS.com. So go to USPS.com, you're going to land on this home page. From there, if you don't have an account already, you'll have to go up here and make an account, but you can see I already have my account. So you're going to see this business tab. Hover over that and go down to using EDDM. Click it. Perfect. Now you're going to see this EDDM mapping tool. I want you to click that mapping tool. And then you're going to see here that it's loading a screen that you can type in any zip code into. It already has my zip codes, but if it didn't, you would just hit the zip code, boom, and now it's searching for it, and there you go. Now all these gray areas here are different routes. So you can see I hover over them, they turn purple. If you see my mouse up here, this is kind of where you want to be looking, right? And specifically in the income area. So I'm always preaching, you want to send these out in your service area, but even more important, you want to be picking income. I like to send cards to anything that is 90,000 or more in income. So for example, you can see this one is 108,000 on average. That'd be a good route. So let's say, hey, I want to mail to this route. What do? I click it, and you can see that it highlights it. Now over here on the right hand side, you can see this is roughly 608 addresses, and it's gonna cost me 113 bucks to mail it. Now for me, I like to mail to only residential. So I'm gonna go up here to residential, click this. Currently you see it's set up for business and residential. I'm gonna click residential only and see what it does. Brings that down to 605, right? So now, let's just say I'm mailing to one route. Typically we mail to a lot more, but I would click continue. It's gonna make me log in again. Must have logged me out. Here we go. So, oh, there we go. Go to residential only. For some reason it logged me out. Sorry guys. Continue. It's going to ask you what day you want to pick. Let's just say we're mailing them out today. Do that. I have read the terms and understand them. We almost always pay at the post office, so I would just click that. Unless you want to pay online, that's fine too. Pay at post office. And bam. Now, on a different video, I'm going to teach you all about what has to go into these cards. The facing slips, the main slip that you're going to give to the people at the post office. But that is just a quick overview of how you pick your routes and how I like to look at routes. So income is everything, 90,000 or more. I'll make another video down the road shortly on how to actually mail these out, because I know a lot of you guys have questions on that. But for the time being, you have learned how to pick routes and how to set it up so you can take your cards to the post office. All right guys, so thank you for watching this third and final video of the Every Door Direct Mail little campaign we did here. Very simple and short. I'm gonna be making more videos in the future as well on this. If you guys have any questions, drop below in the comments. I wanna know how many of you guys are doing Every Door Direct Mail, and as always, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do, as we're trying our best to put out 2 videos a week of content like this to help you guys with your home service business. So I love you guys. We'll see you on the next video.